Welcome to the video. Today I want to introduce how to register SINGCALL wireless calling system APE350 pager with 5 single key program APE6600 mobile receivers. I will register each mobile receiver step by step. Firstly, I'm going to register number 1 mobile receiver. Step 1. On standby mode, press the key FUN until F1 appears on the screen. Step 2. Press FUN until 001 appears. Next, press the capital Roman number 1 on the APE350. The receiver beeping and the number 001 is flashing. It means this receiver is registered to be number 1 successfully. Step 3. Press FUN until F1 appears. Then keep pressing ENT back to standby mode. Now, this receiver is registered to be number 1. Repeat step 1 to step 3 to register other mobile receivers. Now, the registration is finished. Let me show how to call the receivers. Thank you for your watching.